To download the Robinhood app on your Android phone, we'll first want to locate the Google Play Store, which looks like this. Depending on your phone, you might have Play Store on the home screen like I do, but if you don't, just swipe up and look for the Play Store icon in your app drawer. Or use the search. That's always another easy way to find any app on your phone. The Play Store is your marketplace for any and all apps on Android. You'll need to be logged into a Google account to download apps, and most of you will already be logged in. If not, simply use your Google account to log in. The Play Store has a lot of different tabs and charts for recommended apps, and browsing the different categories is a great way to discover new apps. If you know what you're looking for, just use the search. I'll search for Robinhood, and since it's a popular app, it'll be the first result I see. I can tap the app to view more details, user reviews, etc. And to download the app, we'll tap the big Install button on the top. Installing usually takes a while depending on your internet speed and your phone model. Just wait for it to finish, and once it's all done, you can tap Open to launch the app. Then create an account to start using the app, or log in with your existing credentials if you already have an account. After this, you'll find the app in your app drawer and potentially also on your home screen. Mine went to the home screen automatically, but I can also swipe up and find it in the app drawer. To add an app from the app drawer to the home screen, you'll just long press the app icon and choose Add to Home Screen. From there, you can long press and drag the icon to your preferred position. And there you have it. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy, bite-sized Android tutorials. Thanks all. I'll see you in the next one.